There we have Gabriel and Daniel from Isto in Lisbon, and they made this beautiful lixo phone for Catraia. Look at this. All the trash found at the beach turned into something totally wonderful. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We're both programmers and we're both musicians.
Yeah, I play bass guitar.
And I play the guitar.
And this came up, make an instrument
Yeah, out of trash.
out of trash and also automatic.
Yeah, give a new life to the trash was the idea. Yeah, and this is all about the past and the future. The past we did this trash, and the future we need to collect it, recycle it, and reuse it. And this is the reusage. For not to create new trash, we must reuse it.